Srila Bhakti Rakhar Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnava and Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. So I am very happy to see you all the Chinese devotees in here. And may Srimati Radharani bless you, and you also develop your sadhan and bhajan, and all you also inspired to all that devotees and how to spread the message of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu predicted, ये पृथ्वीते आचे जत नगरादि ग्राम सर्वत्र प्रचार होइबे मोर नाम. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu predicted one day my name will preach all over the world, and one day everybody will chant holy names and dancing and singing. And Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So this Nam Sankirtan, and especially in this Kali Yuga, there are no any other process how to attain to Lord. Only one process, Nam Sankirtan. And no sadhati mang yogam, no sanka dharma uddhava, no sadhas tapus tyago, yatha bhaktir mamo jita. And Krishna says to Uddhava, Hey Uddhav, no sadhati mang yogam. No one can attain his perfection by the perfect of karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya. Tapasya means austerities. And only rendering chanting of the holiness, Nam Sankirtan. And especially in this Kali Yuga, that Nam Sankirtan means 16 names and 32 syllables. And that is called Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This is Nam Sankirtan. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also told, Kali Kale Nam Bina Nahi Ar Dharma, Sarva Shastrer Ei Sar Marma. The essence of all the scriptures, that is called Nam Sankirtan. And Nam Sankirtan only Harinam. But which Harinam? And that is called Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also told, Prabhu kahe kahilam ei maha mantra, iha giya japasade koriya nirbandha, iha huite sarva siddhi hoibe sabar, iha boi na bolive na bolaive aaj. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, just everybody had to chant these holy names, not others. And only what names? This Maha Mantra. Not others mantra, only Harinam. Solos Nama, 16 names and 32 syllables, these holy names. Only chant. Because sometimes Babaji, Sahaja or others and Apasampradayas, they preach different names. Just give an example. The Sahajas is saying, Nitai Gaur Radhesam Hare Krishna Hare Nam, Hare Ram. And because this name is completely that is called and incorrect and completely wrong. Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, ये आमा प्रति स्नेह यदि थाके सबाकार यह बोई ना बोलिबे ना बोलाइबे यार. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, if you really love with me, you have to follow my instruction. What is my instruction? Only chant these holy names. these holy names, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare. This is called the Nam Sankirtan. Eh? Not any go to other Babaji Sampradayas, they misguide the people. Because they are chanting Nitai Gaur Radhesam, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram. You understand? You should not chant this kirtan. Because this is called Rasabhas Dos and some faults of the Rasa. So for this regard, our Shastra saying no. Mahaprabhu himself told, if you really love to me, only chant this Mahamantra. Hare Krishna Mahamantra, not other things. Because in this Kali Yuga, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested in three forms. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, in this Kali Yuga I manifested in three forms. Nam, Vigraha and Sarup. Nam, that is the holy names. Lord Chaitanya himself told, in this Kali Yuga I will always in the form of holy names. And Vigraha, Vigraha means deities. And his own Sarup Guru Vrindavan Dham. And another things, rendering chanting of the holy names, then your realization will come. For this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he did not write any grantha. Just he recited the 8 verses. Especially first phrase is called Cheto Darpanam Marjanam Bhavamahadavam Nirvapanam Sreya Kairiva Chandrika Vitaranam Vidya Badhu Jivanam Anandam Mudi Vardhanam Pratipadam Purnam Mritasadanam Sarvatmasnapanam Param Vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtanam. Nam Sankirtan. Because if you chant more and more holy names, then all your anarthas, unwanted things also removed from your heart. So the Cheto Darpana Marjanam, our heart is as like mirror. And if the mirror full of dust, you cannot see own reflection on the mirror. In the same way, our heart completely full of innumerable anarthas and lust, anger, enviousness, jealousy, and many kinds of them. And that is called anarthas. Especially 4 kinds of anarthas in our heart. And Sarubhram, Hidaya Durbulla, Asatrishna, and Aparad. These are called the 4 kinds of anarthas. And even also Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explained in Madhurya Kadambini also another 4 types of anarthas. That is called Duskritu Uttha Anartha, Sukriti Uttha Anartha, Bhakti Uttha Anartha, and Aparad Uttha Anartha. So all these types of anarthas remove only rendering chant of the holy name, chanting of the holy names. And so for this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he gives the emphasis to chanting holy names, Nam Sankirtan. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also told, especially in this Kali Yuga, Lord invested all his potencies, holy name, in his holy names. Nam Namakari Bohuda Nija Sarva Sakti Strarvita Nimita Smaranana Kalo Etadrishi Tava Kripa Bhavanamapi Durdevamya Adisha Adanu Nanurago. Nam Namakari Bohuda Nija Sarva Sakti. And in this Kali Yuga, Lord invested all his power, potency in his holy names. Even our Shastra explain this way. Hari se bada Hari ka nam. That means holy name is higher than Sri Hari himself. And holy name is very powerful. And in this holy name, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also distributed the highest prem. And this is also saying this. So for this regard, Rupa Goswami Pad, he wrote this verse, अनर्पित चरिं चिरात् करुणया अवतीर्ण कलौ समर्पयतु उन्नत उज्ज्वल रसं सभक्ति श्रियम् हरिः पुरट सुंदर दुति कदम संदीप्त सदा हृदय कंदरे स्फुरतु वः शचीनंदन. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is called the embodiment of munificent and magnanimous. Though the Kali's jivas, Kali hatha jivas, the jivas are completely affected with Kali, and Kali hatha jivas, they are completely fallen and unqualified. Still Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is giving so much mercy to the Kali hatha jivas, Kali jivas, and what is giving the highest prem. Which prem Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is giving? Not the prem of Vaikuntha, even not in the prem of Ayodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu distributed this prem of Golok Vrindavan. So Golok Vrindavan is prem, and especially Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is called the special incarnation. Gaura Avatar. In his incarnation of Gaura Avatar, he distributed this prem to everybody, because he is called special incarnation. And for this regard, he also distributed this highest prem to everybody. And others, Juga Avatar, they distributed the general prem. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he is called the special of incarnation. Gaura Avatar. In his Gaura Avatar, he distributed the highest prem, Braj prem to everybody. One class also, someone asked to Gurudev, hey Gurudev, in this Kali Yuga, the living entities are very fallen, because Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence. Kale dosanidhe Rajana. O king, listen, in this Kali Yuga, all the living entities are completely affected with Kali, and they have innumerable faults. So why Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is distributing the highest prem, these fallen living entities? Then Gurudev told, listen, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is called the special incarnation. And specially he has come from Navadsetadip Dham to distribute this highest prem. And this is his own desires. And he is called Swatantra Swechamay Purush, and he is independent person. And so you cannot ask why Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu distributed the highest prem. The conditioned soul, those are completely affected with Kali and innumerable faults. Just give an example. One very rich person, he has come in the village, poor village people, and he is thinking, I will give all my things to the poor people. Why? There is no reason. Because he is Swatantra Swechamay Purush. And in the same way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, in his incarnation, Gaura Avatar, Gaura means is what? The combined form of Radha and Krishna. For this regard, his name is called Gaura. Go means Govinda. Ra means Radha. So now Govinda and Radha combined in the form of Sachinandan Gaur Hari. So now he is indiscriminately distributed the highest prem to everybody. Which for this regard Shastra saying in this way, in this incarnation of Gaura, he did not discriminate who is qualified or unqualified. Then Hano Avatare and Na Bachila. In this incarnation, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did not discriminate who is qualified or unqualified. And Jare dekhe tare deyan prem bilaya. Whatever he look, he distribute this prem. Take this. Even the 6 types of person, they don't want to receive Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu the highest prem. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu just chasing behind to them and caught their choti. Choti. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also giving this prem to everybody. Okay. And how much Mahaprabhu distribute this prem through Nam Sankirtan. So for this regard, Rupa Goswami Pad, Vidagdha Madhav Natakam, and quoted this verse, Anarpita Charing Chirat Koruna Avatirna Kalu, Samar Payatu Unnatu Ujjalasam Savakti Sriyam, Harihi Pultra Sundradudi Kadava Sandhiri Pita, Sada Hidai Kandari Spuratuva Sachi Nandana. Anarpita Charing Char, no Anarpita, no Arpitam. And every Kali Yugal, he does not come. Only one day of Brahma, that means 1,000 Chaturjugas, Sattva, Trepa, Dapur and Kali. In the end of Dapur Yug, in the beginning of the Kali Yug. That means in the end of Dapur Yug, Krishna has come. Then same Dapur Yuga finished. Then in the beginning of the Kali Yuga, same Krishna has come in the form of Sachinandani Gaur Hari. And in the form of his Gaur Hari, now he is distributing this prem. So the Anar Pritam Charing Chirat Koruna Avatirna Kalu. Here using this word Koruna. Koruna means this word. And we have so much compassion, mercy to the fallen living entities. And he is mercifully, he descended from Guru Vrindavan and he destroyed Kuruna Avatirna Kalu. Samar Payatu Unnato Ujjalasam. Samar Payatu Unnato Ujjalasam. Unnato Ujjalarasha. And highest prem of Srimati Radhika, he is testing. Then he realized, oh, this is very sweet and so delicious. So now he is very, what is called, munificent and magnanimous. Who is called munificent and magnanimous? One who indiscriminately distributes this prem to everybody. Those who are major person does not eat anything. Though he has lot of wealth of money, even he is not also eating and are not also feed to others. But those who are udar person, udaradhi means one who is completely hurt, open-hearted, and understand, open-hearted person, and udara chitta. And open-hearted person, and open-hearted person, just he is little bit testing and distribute this everywhere. Maybe in the China, when Gurudev also was in China, I saw Gurudev distributed 1,000 China devotees also and showing their hands, and Gurudev also distributed. Maybe you can see that the picture. Gurudev giving prasad. Then the 100 hands are coming and Gurudev also giving. So that means, I am saying, because those who are udar chitta, understand, open heart, he is giving to everybody. Little bit testing and giving to everybody. Take this. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, for this regard, he is a udaradhi. Udaradhi means this. Dhi means one, his mind, heart. Dhi means heart, hidayat. Udar means udar means one completely heart and open heart. And so Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is there. saying these words, the anarpita charing chirat corona avatirna karo samarpayatu unnadu ujjalosam sabhakti sriyam. Sabhakti sriyam. देखो what he saying here is he is testing the highest prem of Srimati Radhika, that is called Madanakha Mahabhav. Srimati Radhika, she is called the embodiment of Madanakha Mahabhav. This Madanakha Mahabhav prem she was can't to test because not possible. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is testing, and that Madanakha Mahabhav one drop he is distributing to others. Just to give an example, maybe one rich person, he cooked the sweet rice, maybe 10 quintal sweet rice he prepared. Just to imagine. How many?
1000 kg.
1000 kilos and sweet rice he prepared. And but some also what is called ants coming. So ants can you try to understand ants how much that sweet rice can eat the ants. Just the one drop fallen in the floor. Even the 1000 ants will eat. I think that drop also cannot finish. You understand this philosophy? Just one drop which fallen on the floor, or 1000 ants cannot finish the drop of the sweet rice, because ants' stomach is very small. 1000 ants cannot finish the one drop of the sweet rice. In the same way, Srimati Radhika's prem, that is called Madanakha Mahabhav. That Madanakha Mahabhav prem, how possible jivas, conditioned soul, would test. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is testing little bit, and he also distributes to everybody. That is what is the drop of the sweet rice here? Then what is the drop of the premon which Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is distributing? That is called the Manjari Bhav. You try to understand. In this Kali Yuga, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu action, he tested Srimati Radhika's Sakhi's mood. Which Sakhi's? Srimati Radhika got 5 kinds of Sakhis. Girlfriends. Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi, Priya Sakhi or Pran Prishta Sakhi. There are 5 kinds of Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. But Nitya Sakhi and Pran Sakhi, they are called the Manjaris of Srimati Radhika. Understand these things. Remember, don't forget. 2 and 3 number Sakhis. First number Sakhi, that is called Sakhi. Second number Nitya Sakhi. Third Pran Sakhi. And fourth Prishta Sakhi or Priya Sakhi. Prishta Sakhi or Priya Sakhi. Different same name. Or fifth, that is called Prana Prishta Sakhi. Prana Prishta Sakhi, that is called Lalita Visakha. So now come in this way, Nitya Sakhi and Prana Sakhi's mood, that is called Manjari's mood. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he is distributing these types of mood, Manjari's mood, to everybody. So we are very lucky. Those who are come in the line of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they are very fortune, great fortune, not fortune. They are called also great fortune. So you think you are very great fortune because you have come in the line of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. You are not going karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya. Even you are not going the line of Babaji, not going to the Sahaja others, you are coming in the perfect line of Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada, Bhakti Vinod Thakur, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pradhan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, or Srila Gurudev Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. So you are very lucky. And also Narayan Maharaj is called the Sakhi of Srimati Radhika, and that is called Raman Manjari. So you are very lucky. You have come in the line of Raman Manjari. So you think you are unfortunate. You are great fortune, because you have come in the line of Guru Pada Padma in this line. You are great fortune. So, and Lord Chaitanya, and you are, and must be in your heart, and so is moved there. And by rendering chanting of the holy names, doing bhajan and sadhan, slowly, all you anarthas removed from your heart. Then you realize yourself. That is called self-realization. And self-realization, that is called Atma Anubhuti. Automatically will come. But take time. Do bhajan and sadhan. And everything you will be realized not one day. You do bhajan and sadhan. Every day you chant holy names. And every day worship Guru and Krishna. Every day worship Guru Pada. Jaya Jaya Radha Krishna Yugala Milan Arati Karan Lalita Disakigan Madana Mohan Rupa Tribhanga Sundar Pitambara Sikhi Pucha Chura Manohar Lalita Madhava Visabhanu Kanna Neela Vasana Gauri Rupe Gunadanna Nana Vida Alankar Kare Jalamal Harimana Vimahana Badana Ujjal Visakhadi Sakigan Nana Rage Gai Priyanar Masaki Jata Chamar Dhulai Shirada Madhava Pada Sarasi Sayasi Bhakati Vinod Saki Pada Sukhe Vas Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Jai Sajanandana Gaur Hari Ki. But how to realize this? You have to completely surrender to Lotus Feet of Sajanandana Gaur Hari. This is also important. Because in this Kali Yuga, only Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will give this Braja Prem. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself told in Chaitanya Charitamritam, Ama Bina Braja Prem Nahi Anya Dite. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, in this Kali Yuga, no one can give Braja Prem. Only I will give. So that means you have to completely, absolutely surrender with Lotus Feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. If you surrender to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then automatically Radha Prem will manifest in your heart. Jatha Jatha Gaura Padara Binde Binde Dhruvat Kitapunna Panja Tatha Tatha Surpi Hridi Akasmat Radha Padambujo Sudhamburasi Jatha Jatha Gaura Padara Binde Binde Dhruvat Kitapunna Panja Tatha Tatha Surpi Hridi Akasmat Radha Padambujo Sudhamburasi. If you surrender to Lotus Feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then automatically Radha Prem, Radha Dasam, Radha Prem will manifest in your heart. So what will do? Now completely surrender to Sacinandana Gaura Hari. Surrender to Sacinandana Gaura Hari. Always remember his word, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Bolo Gaura 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 He Gaura 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 Jai Sachinandana Jai Gaura Hori Jai Sachinandana Jai Gaura Hori Krishna Priyar Prana Dhana Nadiya Bihari Krishna Priyar Prana Dhana Nadiya Bihari Jai Sachinandana Jai Gaura Hori Jai Sachinandana Jai Gaura Hori Nityananda Prana Dhana Nadiya Bihari Nityananda Prana Dhana Nadiya Bihari Jai Nadiya Bihari Jai Nadiya Bihari Nadiya Bihari Jai Nadiya Bihari Jai Sachinandana Gaur Hari. So there are the evidence in our Shastra. Then Aradhito Navavanam Vrindavana Evaste Naradhito Navavanam Vrindavana Evadure Aradhito Dhyasuta Vrijanagaraste Naradhito Dhyasuta Nataveha Krishna. Prabhupada Saraswati Pad very clearly explained. Aradhito Navavanam, one who worship Navadvip Dham Sachinandana Gaur Hari and Navadvip Chandra Sachinandana Gauri and Navadvip Dham, he will attain Vrindavan Dham and Vrindavan Chandra Krishna. And those who not worship Navadvip Dham and Navadvip Chandra Gaura, any method you not attain to Vrindavan Dham and Vrindavan Chandra Krishna. So that means our first duty is to serve to Navadvip Chandra Gaura Sandar and Gaura Sandar. But how to worship to Gaura Sandar? Under guidance of Guru Pad Padma. This is very important. And Gurudev, he will give perfect the direction how to will serve to Sachinandana Gaur Hari. Then Sachinandana Gaur Hari will give the perfect direction and how to serve divine couple Radha and Krishna. And in this way do bhajan and sadhan. Then when you will be matured of a bhajan and sadhan, paripakka and bhajan paripakka, then your soul will be divided into, at a time you will attain Satit Satadip Dham, the place of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Navadip Dham, Satadip Dham or Navadip Dham. And at a time you will attain Vrindavan and direct serve to even called Radha and Krishna. That at a time you will serve Vrindavan Chandra Krishna, or at a time you will serve Sachinandana Gauri in Navadvip Dham. Actually, what is that meaning? That means meeting and separation. Vrindavan Dham is called the embodiment of meeting, Sambhagmaya Dham, Vrindavan. And Navadvip Dham is called the embodiment of Vipralambha and Viraha. So, separation. That means is a separation and meeting. Meeting and separation. Love means that is called meeting and separation. Separation and meeting. As like one coin and two sides. But those both sides are same value. In your coin you can see this side and this side. But both sides are same value. In the same way, meeting and separation. Separation and meeting. That is called Viraha and Milan. Meeting and separation. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taught to us first how will you feel separation from Krishna. Krishna Viraha. Nayanangala Sudarya Badanangada Buddha Gira. Pularpe Nitam Bubu Kadatav Nama Grahane Bhavisati. How will chant holy names? Crying, and chanting holy names. And tears rolling down from your eyes. Nayanangala Sudarya Badanam Badagada Buddha Gira. When you chant holy names, then your throat will be choked. And feeling so much happiness coming in our core of your heart and Antahridaya. So much happiness will come. Susainanam Gradastru Dharya Badanam Gadagudurudhya Vira. Pular Penichitam Babu. And so many static symptoms manifest in your body. And here standing end. And lumpu khade ho jayenge.
Goosebumps. Goosebumps.
Huh?
Goosebumps.
And automatically tears rolling down from your eyes. You will cry. Understand? Sometimes you also laughing and joking. देखा प्रेम manifest one side, this is also symptom. एवं व्रत सप्रिय नाम भृत्वा जातानुरागो दुचतु चेह हसोति अथो रोदोति रोति गायन उन्मादव नित्यति लोकवज्जम सिन्नं सुभद्राणि रथांगपानि जन्मानि कर्माणि जनि च लोके नामानि गीतानि तदार्थकानि गायन उन्मादव नित्यति लोकवज्जम. Understand? How you chant holy name, and then your heart will be overjoyed. Sometimes you laughing, ha 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 ha.
Sometimes.
And sometimes you crying. Why? Because the sweet amorous pastimes of Divine Radha and Krishna manifest in your heart. Sometimes you feeling separation and from Srimati Radhika or Gopis or Krishna. And that time you cry. And as like Krishna disappeared from the Ras dance, and Gopis they also felt kind of separation from Krishna. This is true or wrong? Then finally Gopis they arrived on the bank of the Jomuna, and all together they also chanted Krishna's sweet pastimes with very nice, beautiful, sweet song, rhythm. That's just I tell you. Jayati te udikam janmana braja srayata indira shata atrahi daita dicchatan dikchutavaka Tridhita savo twang vichinnate Saradadu dasai sadhu jatasi Sarojashri jodore Sri Musadrisa Suratanatate Sulkadasika Varadhanignato Neyo king vada Katamritam tapta jivanam kalivireditam kalamasahapam Shravana mangalam Srimadattatam Bhuviginnanti te bhuridajana Tava katamritam tapta jivanam kalivireditam Kalmasahapam Shravana mangalam Srimadattatam Bhuviginnanti te bhuridajana. Gopi Gita. Srimati Radhika herself recited this verse. Tava Kathamritam. Krishna Katha, that's called sweet nectar. Who does not want to listen Krishna Katha? Everybody wants to listen to Krishna Katha. Because Krishna Katha is sweet nectar. Nibrita tarsai upagyamana bhavusadastutra manobhirama pauttama sloka gunanuvadat pumana virajet vinapasugnat. Very clearly explained in this verse. Who does not want to listen to Krishna Katha? Only that person who is called Buchar, very cruel-hearted person. Very cruel person. Nishtur Badha. Badha means hunter. Or butcher. Butcher, understand? Killing the animals. Cut. And slaughterhouse. So that person, he does not want to listen to Krishna Katha. Or everybody want to listen to Krishna Katha. Even impartialists, those who want to merge in Brahma, Even they listen Krishna Katha, they will give up the meditation of Brahma. Eh? They will be eager to listen Krishna Katha. Eh? Even those who are suffering the three folds of Maya, Adhantik, Adidainik and Adibhautik, even they listen Krishna Katha, they will forget the three folds of Maya. Eh? Because Krishna Katha is very powerful. It's called Nibritta Tarsi Upagyamanat Bhavusudastutra Mono Virama Kautama Sulupa Gunanubadat Pumana Virajet Vinapasukna. Are those who are devotee of Lord, and as like you are so sweet devotee, listen Krishna Katha, because you have so much eagerness. I know you may not understand the language, English language, but you are very eager. Listen Krishna Katha. So you are very great fortune. Maybe Srimati Radhika. Blessing, sort of blessing to you. Otherwise, how possible this sweetness, eagerness, come in your heart to listen Krishna Katha? Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada explained, in this material world, what is the crisis of this material world? That is called crisis. You understand crisis? What is the crisis of material world? That is called Harikatha. But those who are very eager to listen Harikatha, they are very fortunate, not fortune, that is called great fortune. So you are very great fortune because you have eagerness coming. Must be previous life you did bhajan and sadhana. For this regard, you have come in this line of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. I know, I believe, I have faith. Must be your previous life you did bhajan and sadhana. For this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and giving mercy upon to you. Son of Mercy Mahaprabhu. Otherwise, thousand people in this, why they are not coming in this line of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Because they are unfortunate. So you are fortunate, great fortune. And so Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy to you. So you have line coming in the line of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And otherwise, without Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who can chant holy names? And this is true. So you are real. The recipient mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Mahaprabhu Kripa Patra. I believe all you are the recipient, the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Gaura Kripa Patra. And you almost attain your perfection goal. And almost only 2 fingers. What is it called? 2 fingers and far from to attain to your goal. That what is the 2 fingers? Far from your attain to goal. One is your sadhana, another the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So you are almost arrived. Do you understand? So don't you think you are unfortunate? You are not Durvaga, you are Subhagyavan. You almost achieve your highest perfection goal. Just this life you chant the holy name. Faith with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, faith with Guru and Krishna. And always remember to Guru and Krishna. And give up all kinds of duplicity and hypocrisy. Gurudev always saying this. That is called chal and kapat. Give up the duplicity and hypocrisy. Always with a udara chitta, udara dhi. Your heart will be completely open heart. And that is called broad-minded. Broad-hearted. And heart is open. And we chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So Nam Sankirtan and the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And from faith with Guru and Krishna. This is what do or die. This life I do bhajan and sadhana and chant Hari names. All glory to Harinam ki jai. And I will not take too much of your time. All you already received the mercy of Sachinandan Gaudhari. All you are the mercy of recipient mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Gaura Prabhupada. So always chant Hari names, give and love and affection to all the living entities. And this is very important. And all you stay together with your heart and mind, and please God, to love and affection. Exchange your love and affection. And as like Venu, because the deer, they cannot speak, but deer also exchange their love and affection with Krishna. Dhanasmo mudagatai hirannayeta jananupat vijitra vesam akarnaveno ranitang sa Krishna sara puja dudam virachaya pranaya palokoi. Venu Vitas. Sukdev Goswami Pad told to Parikshit Maharaj, look, Dhanasma mudagatai hirannayeta. Eta means these deer, and how they are great fortune. Male and female deer, they are running towards Krishna. Just they heard the sound of the flutes of Govinda Benudhan, and they were running, and attain to Krishna. Just they seated very close to Krishna, and Krishna also fatty on their back. Then deer's heart melted. Just touch the palms of Krishna. Krishna hasta. And then the male deer and female deer, their heart melted and tears rolling down from their eyes. And they also exchange their love and affection with their sidelong glands. Because they are called animal beings. They cannot speak. Just they express their sentiments, bhav, with their sidelong glands. So saying this way, Dhannas Momuragata Hirannayeta Janana Pata Vijitra Vesam Akarna Venu Runitam Saha Krishna Sara Puja Didam Pranaya Avalokai. Pranaya Avalokan, how they are love and affection with Krishna, and they also exchange their love and affection with Krishna. Just with their glands. So in the same way, all you chant holy names, pray to Krishna, Guru and Krishna, then you will receive the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And my heart will bless you. Thank you for your kindness. And listen Hari Katha. And every day, all day, you will read some Grantha, especially Chaitanya Charitamritam, Srimad Bhagavatam, or Jewels of the Heart. This is very important, very nice Grantha. You can read Jewels of the Heart also. Very nice Grantha. And all Tattva Siddhanta or Jaiva Dharma. And you can also preach internet to give to the others devotee, and all should be shared and to Hari Katha, to each other, with love and affection. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki jai jai Sri Radhe. And bolo Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Okay, my heartly blessing to you. Jai 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 Sri Radhe. Jai Jai. Sing. Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava Daite, Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava Daite. Gokula Taruni Mandala Moite, Gokula Taruni Mandala Moite, Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava Daite, Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava Daite. Damodara Roti Vardhana Vese, Harine Skuta Vrinda Vipine Se, Damodara Roti Vardhana Vese, Harine Skuta Vrinda Vipine Se, Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava Daite. वृषभानु दधि नवशशि लेखे ललिता सखी गुण रमित विशाखे वृषभानु दधि नवशशि लेखे ललिता सखी गुण रमित विशाखे राधे जय जय माधव द्वैते करुणांकुरुमयि करुणा भरिते सनक सनातन वर्णित चरित राधे जय जय माधव हे राधे जय जय माधव जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय राधे जय कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोलो श्रीमती राधा रानी की जय जय श्री राधे जय जय श्री राधे जय जय श्री गुरुदेव की जय चनी डिबुडी की जय 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 श्री गुरुदेव की जय श्री गुरुदेव की जय जय श्री राम ओके ओके हरि बोल जय ओके जय हरि बोल okay okay which one come okay 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 चल every chant बोला हरे कृष्णा every do pronounce okay बोला हरे कृष्णा बोलो हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा
हरे कृष्ण
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम हरे राम 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 हरे हरे ठीक हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे एवरीबॉडी चैंट हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की हाँ रिपीट चंद ठीक है ठीक बहुत नाइस slowly chant holy names. Every day chant holy names. Morning 2 times, evening 2 times chant. What is his name?
Childhood.
Why not? English, first word. English, right?
Ping. U Z. G Ping. ZHEEPING. G Ping. Jackie Shuri.
C. C. Okay. Chaitanya Sundari.
Chaitanya Sundari University.
क्या बोले